Hello dear friends, welcome again to Paul Tech channel. Today we're gonna to see how to use deform features in Solidworks. When we see on the screen, we see this shape. This shape is formed by using deform features in Solidworks. Now let's start to see how it's used. Let's open a new part. Let's click front plane, number 2, and select the circle. Let's give a dimension. Let's use 200, 100 millimeters. Now let's select another circle. Give a dimension. Let's give 10 millimeters. And select zip line. Let's do like this one. Select this point and this point. Adding the relation for this point and this point, making sure the horizontal relation, this point also, this one must have horizontal relation. Let's move this point like this. Now the dimension from this point at this point, let's give 5. Now let's change 5.7. Let's get 8. Okay. Change this dimension 65. Okay. Now let's use trim entities click OK. Now let's make what we call circular pattern for this sketch. Select this circle, entities for, let's select these entities and this circle. Let's click OK. This one, let's use trim entities for deleting this point. Delete here and then this one. Okay. Then let's use extrude boss. Suppose we have use 5 extrude boss for 5. Let's use middle plane. Now click OK. See how the shapes look like. Now let's select the top plane, normal to delete construction line from the origin up like this one. Okay, exit sketch for this. Select control plane, select the construction line from this point up to this edge. Okay, exit sketch. Now I have to search the form. The form of features you can use like this one, or you can close this one and then pass through the insert features, the form. For this one I want to use point, the point. Now let's select this one from the origin direction. Let's use this construction line, deform. Now the form origin, let's select this face, select this face. Now can adjust the height of the form. Let's use like this one, 14. Now let's select this one. You see this shape. The width of the formation you can adjust. You see, you can increase or decrease. Let's reduce the height of the form. Let's use this one. Okay. Now let's click OK. That's it. It is select these bodies, select the boss. You see now this, see this, get the shape that you get. Let's make exit this sketch for hidden, this sketch for hidden. See the sketch, you see now the cover, the formed shape here. Now let's give the brightness, you see this shape. Now let's change the color. Let's use this one. I'll click OK. It's easy now to use these features. I think that is enough. Don't forget to click subscribe, like and comment for better for the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Be ready for the next one.